identifying the data type of an input. Hi, I am trying to print the data type of a user input and produce a table like following. Abdef equals string, 1.09 equals float, 0 equals int, true equals bool, etc. I'm using Python 3.2.3 and I know I could use type to get the type of the data, but in Python all user inputs are taken as strings and I don't know how to determine whether the input is a string or boolean or integer or float. Here is that part of the code, which always returns str for string. Appreciate any help.
Input will always return a string. If you want to see if it is possible to be converted to an integer, you should do. You could write a function like this. However, as mentioned in the other answers, using AST literal underscore eval would be a more concise solution.
Input will always return a string. You need to evaluate the string to get some Python value. If you want safety, here user can execute arbitrary code. You should use ast.literal underscore eval.
For support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.